All right, you guys, I have selected my 10 favorite clips. Tell me which of these is your favorite in the comment section below.
1. 3.
Holy mackerel! He just ate it. Oh my gosh! That thing is enormous. He missed it. He missed it. He's getting wrapped in wire. I think he's got it this time. It's gone. I don't see it. Yes, he ate it. He ate it.
Got him!
Oh my goodness! Wow, baby! What do you think of that?
4.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
5.
There's so much going on. Holy crap!
6.
Mike. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Look at this.
7.
Oh, right there. They're right here. Look, they're right here.
I got it.
That's a Goliath! Look at those Goliaths! Oh my gosh, they're right here! Look at them, dude! Oh! Oh my God!
8.
Wow!
9. 10.
This is a nice fish, Peter. What do you think? I'm doing everything I just did. I haven't tightened a little more, right? No? If your favorite clip wasn't on this list, post it in the comments section below.
Blacktip H Fishing is brought to you by Bullbuster brand direct fishing lines.
Shark on. He's going 100 miles an hour. Here we go. That's power.